Hello guys, in this video we are gonna create AdSense account for YouTube channels. So it's really simple. So first is go to your actual AdSense in Google and then create the link in AdSense for your YouTube account. So change your link basically when you are getting an AdSense for YouTube. So we are in YouTube help right here. So first is sign into your YouTube and then in the left tab select your earn tab, and then once you've done that, click start and sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So this is where you're going to be asked to authenticate your password and re-authenticate it if required in YouTube to prove that you own the actual YouTube account for the AdSense sign up that we're going to do. So when you choose your Google account that you would like for YouTube, and note that you already use AdSense for other reasons outside YouTube, you will have to sign in with the Google account used with your existing AdSense account so that it'll be smoother for you. So now once you're in AdSense, you will have to verify the email address that is correct, and then if it's wrong, use a different account to switch accounts again. So continue up to your account, provide contact info for your AdSense, and then the following after that, you're just gonna be able to see a confirmation for your YouTube studio to sign up with AdSense for YouTube. And it's just that simple. So basically, that's how you actually just sign up for your YouTube. And then, like our past video, you can manage from there and create an AdSense account for your actual YouTube or your actual other websites. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up and create your AdSense account for YouTube. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.